My loudest greetings to you. Today's lesson is Unit 6, Past Continuous, I was doing. Let's go.
Quyidagi misolni o'rganing.
Yesterday, Monica and Mike played tennis. They began at 10 o'clock and finished at 11:30. So at 10:30 they were playing tennis.
Kecha Monika va Mike tennis o'ynashdi. Ular o'yinni soat 10 da boshlab, soat 11:30 da tamomlashdi. Demak, soat 10:30 da ular tennis o'ynayotgan edilar.
They were playing.
Ular o'ynayotgan, ya'ni o'ynash jarayonida edilar. Ular o'ynashni tugatmagan edilar.
Was, were, ing. Past continuous.
O'tgan zamon davom fe'li zamonning yasalish shakli.
He was playing.
U o'ynayotgan edi.
We were doing.
Biz qilayotgan edik.
Past continuous.
O'tgan zamon davom fe'li biror kishining ma'lum bir vaqtda biror ish harakat qilayotgan bo'lganini ko'rsatish uchun qo'llaniladi.
I was doing something.
Men biror ish qilayotgan edim. Ya'ni men ma'lum bir vaqtda nimadir qilish jarayonida edim. Ish harakat o'sha ma'lum vaqtdan oldin boshlanib, hali tamomlanmagan edi.
Qilayotgan edim.
I was doing.
This time last year I was living in Brazil.
O'tgan yili shu payt men Braziliyada yashayotgan edim.
What were you doing at 10 o'clock last night?
Kecha kechqurun soat 10 da nima qilayotgan edingiz?
I waved to Michael, but he wasn't looking.
Men Michaelga qo'limni silkitdim, lekin u qaramayotgan edi.
When a fire started, I was watching television.
Yong'in boshlanganda men televizor tomosha qilayotgan edim.
Past continuous. I was doing.
Va
Past simple. I did.
zamonlarini taqqoslang.
Past continuous.
Ish harakatni bajarish jarayonida.
Past simple.
Bajarilgan ish harakat.
Anne was watching television when the phone rang.
Telefon jiringlaganda Anna televizor tomosha qilayotgan edi.
Anne watched television a lot when she was ill last year.
O'tgan yil kasal bo'lganida Anna ko'p televizor tomosha qildi.
I was walking home when I met Dan.
Men Den bilan uchrashganimda uyga ketayotgan edim.
I walked home after the party last night.
Kecha ziyofatdan keyin uyga ketdim.
Biror ish harakat boshqa bir ish harakat davomida sodir bo'lganini ko'rsatish uchun.
Past simple.
Va
Past continuous.
birga qo'llaniladi.
Tom burned his hand when he was cooking the dinner.
Tushlik tayyorlayotganda Tom qo'lini kuydirib oldi.
I saw you in the park yesterday. You were reading a book.
Seni kecha bog'da ko'rdim. Sen kitob o'qiyotgan eding.
It was raining when I got up.
O'rnimdan turganimda yomg'ir yog'ayotgan edi.
Matt phoned when we were having lunch.
Tushlik qilayotganimizda Met qo'ng'iroq qildi. Lekin biror ish harakat boshqa bir ish harakatdan keyin sodir bo'lganini ko'rsatish uchun.
Past simple.
Qo'llaniladi.
I was walking along the road when I saw Dave. So I stopped and we had a chat.
Yo'lda ketayotganimda Devni ko'rib qoldim. Shuning uchun men to'xtadim va biz suhbatlashdik.
Taqqoslang.
When Karen arrived, we were having dinner.
Karen kelganida biz tushlik qilayotgan edik.
Biz tushlik qilishni Karen kelishidan oldin boshladik.
When Karen arrived, we had dinner.
Karen kelganida biz tushlik qildik.
Avval Karen keldi va keyin biz tushlik qildik.
Continuous.
Da odatda qo'llanilmaydigan ba'zi fe'llar mavjud, masalan.
Know, want, believe.
Unit 4 ga qarang.
We were good friends. We knew each other well.
Biz yaxshi do'st edik. Bir-birimizni yaxshi bilar edik.
I was enjoying the party, but Chris wanted to go home.
Ba'zimda huzur qilayotgan edim, Chris esa uyga ketishni xohlar edi.
Shu bilan Unit 6 o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Endi Lexika.uz saytiga kirib, ushbu unitga tegishli savollarni yechishingiz mumkin. Ushbu rolikka komment yozish va like qo'yish esingizdan chiqmasin. Omad!